Hello guys, and welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Sirimenos Malawalidoko. I welcome you guys today for this video. Well, today I'll be fixing this keypad, because as you can see from the video, the phone fell on the water and one of the keypad happens to got damaged. So I'm going to do a jumper, and I will not have much thing to say rather than just watch the video and like and comment. You can ask a question. I'll be reading all your comments, so you can ask a question. I can be able to answer you. This is just a simple way you can do a jumper for this kind of problem on the phone. So all you have to do is just to get a connection wire, like this one I have with me here. Just get the connection wire and do your jumper. But you have to be extremely careful, especially to those who are who are watching this to get a knowledge. You have to be careful, because if there is any breach, especially now that we are about to connect it, you can see that there is an open wire there. But I'll try as much as possible to make sure the wire doesn't connect with the other open negative wire, and once you do that, you are good to go. So just do the jumper, and all your problem will be solved. So enjoy the video and see how I did the work. Thank you.